Hello, my students. Welcome again to my class. Okay, today we start. The date, the topic, sales clerk, performance, phrases using by sales clerk, vocabulary page 38. If you need to stop the video, you stop the video, okay? And I'm continue. Okay, she's a sales clerk. Sales clerk is the person that helps you to decide what dress, for example, in this case, or what sweater or what pants do you like, okay? In a shop. She works in a shop, and when you arrive to the shop, this person, the sales clerk, helped you. And we continue with the phrase that usually they use. Sales clerk es el vendedor, ¿ok? El vendedor de la tienda, que es la persona que te ayuda cuando tú quieres comprar algo o mirar, ¿ok? She's a sales clerk. Vamos a ver unas frases que habitualmente se utilizan. Entonces, por favor, tú la copias en tu cuaderno y si quieres hacer un dibujito pequeño, pues lo haces para que quede bien lindo, ¿ok? Continue. The first. Can I help you? Cuando tú ingresas, entonces the sales clerk asks you, can I help you? Can, puedo. I help you. Can I help you? Okay, can I help you? ¿Puedo ayudarlo? Can I help you? Okay. Por hoy vamos a ver solamente las frases que dicen de sales clerk. Can I help you? What does it fit? How does it fit? Le trae, ella le trae the jacket y le pregunta, what does it fit? Como, ¿qué tal te queda? Algo así. How does it fit? Can I help you? How does it fit? Ok. Como how, cómo, does, es tercera persona, it fit. How does it fit? Como, ¿cómo le queda? Pero esto, el objeto. Ok. How does it fit? Continue. What size do you wear? ¿Qué? Aquí lo cambié, él le está preguntando a ella. What size do you wear? ¿Qué talla utiliza? What size do you wear? What size do you wear? And at finish, she's the seller case. Will you be paying with cash or a credit card? Okay, with cash money, or credit card. And he said, oh, okay. And this is the activity for today. The phrase are, can I help you? What does it fit? What size do you wear? Were you paying with cash or a credit card? Okay, my student, this is the activity for today. You only need to write the sentences, okay, in your notebook. And then we continue with the answer. En la próxima clase vamos a ver cómo se contestan estas preguntas. ¿Ok? Por ahora vemos las de seller case and then we continue with the customer. Okay, bye.